Beyond electrical conduit, some fittings and accessories play an important role in electrical wirings. Today, welcome to our thin series, Tiny Fittings, Big Impact, where we showcase essential fittings and accessories that facilitate efficient electrical wirings with conduits. In today's video, we will introduce the conduit coupling. Conduit couplings might be small, but they play a crucial role in maintaining the continuity and protection of conduit systems. They ensure a seamless connection between conduits, safeguarding the wires and enabling the safe transportation of electricity. We have different couplings suitable for both rigid and corrugated conduits, available in sizes from 16mm to 150mm. Standard colors are gray and black, with customization available for other colors and sizes. We ensure that our products meet international quality standards through strict quality control measures, regular testing, and inspection. Our couplings comply with UL List CSA standards and meet the AS/NZS 2053 standard. For specialized applications, we have developed low smoke, zero halogen, and solar series. Our conduit couplings are made for durability for UV resistant and V0 fire rating, ensuring maximum safety in various environments. They are perfect for both above and below ground installation, providing wide application possibilities. If you would like to know more about conduit fittings, feel free to leave a comment below the videos or visit our website to learn more.